Hey guys, today we're gonna be unboxing the LG Ultra Gear 27-inch monitor with the code name 27GS95QE. Yeah, it's a 27-inch OLED monitor by LG, and it has a refresh rate of 240 Hz. So right off the back, if we open the box, we're faced with the stands. We have the base, which is all metal, and also the other part of the stand, which is also metal and plastic as well, but it's of great quality. I guess it's really solid, you can tell from the weight of it. And then we have the box as well by the side that holds all the LG cables we're gonna need for the monitor. We have the display port cable in it, and we have the USB A to USB, and we also have an HDMI cable. Then we have the power cable and also a power brick as well. The power brick isn't inbuilt, so it's standard. We also have the cable clip for the back, and it also comes with a remote as well, and also some paperwork as usual. So that's basically what's in the box there. So if we lift off this, we're gonna reveal the monitor underneath. There we go, that's the brand new LG 27-inch monitor. Picking it up from the base, it felt really heavy, so you might want to be careful when you're bringing it out of the box so you don't drop it by accident. So we're gonna put the box aside now, and we're gonna start with the base assembly. So it's pretty simple to assemble. You just take off the wraps from it, which I should have done earlier, but yeah, you take the wraps off, and at the base, if you look, it has the Ultra Gear symbol on one side and the LG symbol on the other side, which is quite nice to have little details in it. And the main stand itself, once we take the wrap off, is pretty nice. Yeah, so it looks really solid. So what you do is you just place the main base on that part, and all you have to do is just turn that screw at the bottom till it's tight, and that's basically it for assembling of the base of the monitor. So now that that's done, we're gonna put it aside, and we're gonna work with the monitor itself. So with the monitor, you want to make sure you have something underneath. So I decided to use the wrap that the monitor was in, and you just want to put it on something soft. You don't want to get scratches on your new monitor, I guess. So at the base of the monitor, we're presented with a couple of ports. We have two HDMI ports, a display port 1.4, we have an audio output, we also have a USB upsync and two USB downsync, and a power port. We also have a headphone jack at the bottom of the monitor as well. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna attach the stand to the back of the monitor, and then we can set it up on the table. So it's pretty easy, you just hear a click and it's in. So that's basically it for fixing the stand on the monitor. So So the screen is actually a matte finish. It has an anti-glare coating, so it's not glossy at all. So if you're someone who likes a glossy screen, you might want to reconsider about it. And for the movement of the monitor, you can pretty much put it in any angle of your choice, because you can literally pivot it to both sides 90 degrees. You can also tilt it, which is quite nice, and you can swivel it as well, so you can pretty much place them anywhere you want to place them in terms of angle, so they have really good viewing angles and movement as well. Now let's move over to the accessories. So the remote actually comes with a battery, so it's not really that bad. It feels quite nice, but you don't want to put too much pressure on it. So, and also we also have this piece, the cable management for the back of the monitor. You can use it to hold your cables in place and have a neater setup. And also the power brick is mentioned earlier. It's in a standard power brick, so even with the back of the monitor, we still don't have that inbuilt, so we have a standard power brick as well. We have a standard power cable, so it's pretty much, so let's just quickly run through every other thing in the box, and we're gonna power the monitor on and see how the display looks as well. So we have the OLED Care logo, which is quite nice. We also have the on-screen menu, which shows us the different game modes we have, and also the game adjustments, which involve the adaptive sync, the black stabilizer, the crosshair, and the FPS counter. It also has the picture adjustment and all other settings, and also we also have the hexagon lighting with 4 different statics mode and a circling mode, which is quite nice. And if you're using it in a dark room, it looks really nice, and I'm gonna show you that in a second. But one thing I really like about this monitor is that it has an inbuilt OLED Care, so you're not gonna really experience any burning of your OLED, which is quite common with OLED display. So it has something called the pixel cleaning and the image cleaning. So after a very long usage of this monitor, it does the image cleaning, which helps to keep it safe from the OLED burn. So this is basically what I know about the monitor, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So please leave a like and drop a comment in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a follow. Peace.